Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 8 power x plus 2 power x equal to 30. 8 power x can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x plus 2 power x equal to 30. A power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. We are changing this. 2 power x whole power 3 plus 2 power x equal to 30. Now let us assume 2 power x equal to y. Y power 3 plus y equal to 30. Y power 3 plus y minus 30 equal to 0. Y power 3 plus y minus 27 minus 3. This 30 can be split like this, so equal to 0. Y power 3 minus 27, we are changing this, plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now y power 3 minus, this can be written as 3 power 3 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. A power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to implement here. Y minus 3 y square plus 3y plus 3 square plus we are retaining this y minus 3 equal to 0. Here y minus 3 we are going to take common out. Y minus 3, this is common factor, so y square plus 3y plus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Y minus 3 y square plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is y minus 3 equal to 0. Other one is y square plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Here y equal to 3. This is the one solution. Here we are going to apply quadratic equation. A equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 10. Here y equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square 4 times of 1 times of 10 by 2 times of 1. Now minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square is 9. This is 40 by 2. Now minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 40 is 31 minus square root of by 2. Now 3 minus plus or minus square root of 31 I by 2. So not possible solution. So we are rejecting this. Recall equal to 3. We know y equal to 2 power x. So 2 power x equal to 3. Take a log on both sides. Log 2 power x equal to log As per this, log m power p equal to p log m x log 2 equal to log 3. Divide by log 2 on both sides. Log 2 here log 2. This log 2 cancels this. So here x equal to log 3 by log 2. Now as per this log formula, log a by log b equal to log a base b. Now x equal to log 3 base 2. This is x.